All right, so we are going to be working on a project here using Adobe Premiere, and we're going to learn some tips and tricks along the way. In order for us to do our career pathways feature video, we actually have to have all of the items saved in a folder. And I have already downloaded all of the information that we're going to need. I have a series of images. I have a video called Interview, and that will be one of the main things that you're going to have to do when you make your own video. And then I've got some stock video that some of it's good, some of it's not very good. And then the last thing I have is a PowerPoint presentation. So actually what I'm going to start with, even before I hit Adobe Premiere Pro, is I'm going to open up the PowerPoint presentation, because you're going to get the very same presentation, except for you're going to change some values. So I'm going to double click on the PowerPoint presentation. And what you probably notice is it says Northside High School, TV, radio, broadcast, and communications. When you get your own version of this, you're going to double click here and you're going to change the information highlighted here to yours. So if you're assigned, the digital design career pathway, or if you're assigned the accounting, business accounting pathway, that'll be what you actually put there. But for today, that's already to the correct values that I want it to be: TV, radio, broadcast, communications. So the very first thing that you have to do with a presentation like this is you can't just put this in Adobe Premiere. What you have to do is you have to save it as a JPEG file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit File, and I'm going to hit Export, which is underneath Share and above Close. And when I click Export, I'm going to go to this option that says Change File Type. So when I click Change File Type, I have a whole bunch of options that I can do. The one that I actually want to change it to is a JPEG, because that's a good image file to use for what we're doing. And I'm going to pick that, and then I'm going to hit Save As, and it's going to ask me what I want to title it. And I'll just keep it as Presentation 1, and I'm going to hit Save. And which slides do you want to export? Well, there's only one slide, so I'm going to pick just this one. And this is the only slide of the presentation. I'm going to close PowerPoint at this point and hit Save. And what you'll notice is this image file is now in that folder that I was using, and that's going to be one of the very first images that we're going to use in Adobe Premiere. So with that said, that was the first step. And we'll do step 2 here shortly.